do whatever you're doing with 100% ownership of the job. If you're in sales, it's your job to make a customer happy. If you are selling something, it's your job to make sure that a customer is choosing the right product for him. It's 100% your ownership in everything that you do till the task is completed.
Hello everyone and welcome to our podcast Hustle and Humor by PaySprint. I'm your host Hansika Bhardwaj and today we're kicking off this very first episode with our very special guest Mr. Prateek Gautam, who is the Director of Sales SprintNext. To introduce, Prateek brings a powerhouse of experience to the table. He is an EdTech founder and has also a decade experience in mastering the banking industry, followed by 4 years of pushing boundaries in fintech. Hello, sir. Welcome to the show. So, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling great working on a Saturday. Nothing better than that.
That's good to know, sir. So, let's get started.
Absolutely.
Okay. So, could you please tell us about SprintNext and what is the core idea behind it and how it has evolved in your leadership?
All right. So SprintNext, we are a 1-year-old product, right? And we bring banking infratech technology to the industries in the form of connected banking, enabling easy collection and payouts for every industry.
Okay, so I also got to know it's for B2B only.
Absolutely, it's an entirely B2B product, right? And that's how we have built the team to get all the customers from different industries 100% B2B.
And which one is your star product? If we have to pitch it, then what is the one star product that you like your audience to know about?
I wouldn't bias against any product, but yes, UPI collection, that's been the hot selling cake in the market.
Okay, that's good to know, sir. Also, could you please let us know about the sales journey and how has your growth been so far?
Since the beginning, all right. So if you, I mean, as you said in the beginning, that I was an EdTech founder, and with founder, it comes automatically with sales responsibilities. So I had to go door to door to different schools to onboard them, right? And then I joined banking again, door to door to get customers. And here at PaySprint, I'm leading the SprintNext team of around 20 people, and we've been very fortunate to work with very talented people, right? And we're getting good customers, and hopefully if marketing does a good job, we'll get some more good customers as well.
Sure, sir. That's really impressive. So, how are you liking working in PaySprint?
It's full of energy here. People are young. We have an average age of maybe around 25 years, right? So people around us, they're full of energy, and we are trying to bring more positive attitude towards business as a company. Whenever we go and meet any senior leader, they always point out that this is the youngest team that I've ever met, right? So that's probably a unique point about us.
That's quite great. Okay, so my next question to you would be, so how would you make sure that all the departments in PaySprint actually sync up? Like, since we already know that teamwork plays a crucial role when you're coordinating with cross departments and, the product heads and sales head and everyone. So how would you make sure that the coordination works really smooth?
It's really simple. The loudest in the room wins.
Oh, that's quite clever.
Right? So we've got to be, fight with different teams. जब onboarding वाले हमारे से कुछ मांगने आते हैं तो हम हमेशा बोलते हैं कि सब कुछ आपको ऑलरेडी दिया हुआ है, राइट? जब मार्केटिंग हमारे पास कुछ डेटा लेने के लिए आती है तो हम बोलते हैं सब कुछ आपको पहले ही ट्रेन किया हुआ है, राइट? एंड जब आईटी वाले हमारे पास आते हैं तो हम बोलते हैं प्रोडक्ट कहाँ पे है,
राइट? That's awesome, sir. So also it is all about the communication. So how do you make sure that you all are communicating, are on the same page and get the work done as soon as possible? So वो कैसे चलता है मतलब ऑफिस में? मतलब होता नहीं है ऐसा कि don't you face any trouble या कोई लूप होल है इस चीज का कि कम्युनिकेशन नहीं हो पाती या is there any difficulty that restricts the coordination between the teams?
Actually, no. We are as you know, we are a flat company, a very a small cohort of 100 people. तो जब भी किसी से बात करनी होती है, आप डायरेक्टली केबिन में जा सकते हो, उस बंदे से मिल सकते हो. So in that case, it makes a lot of sense for us to directly talk rather than having emails and meetings and all, right? We like to close things quickly just by meeting and talking to each other.
That's a lot of teamwork indeed. Okay, so let's just switch this business talks to some situational questions that we have for you. So let's see how well you can think on your feet. So the first question goes, if your boss asks for a status report, but you've been dodging the task a bit, so what's your go-to response? मतलब आप कैसे उसको dodge करते हो? What's the reason that you give to keep avoiding what he has to ask you?
Okay, that's a good one. If I reveal this, probably I'm gonna lose my job. But all right, here we go. I'm not gonna tell the truth.
Okay.
First thing, but yes, it is quite easy to be honest. You just show the last report and say इसमें कुछ data add नहीं हुआ है. We'll add it very soon, and that's it. You're done.
Okay, so this is the reply for the podcast. Now you can be real. You can be real, sir.
So basically, if you show any data to your boss, right, there is no way that he can validate instantly.
Okay,
That's the
great.
secret to a great meeting.
Okay, so we have a second very interesting question which goes, when you overhear a gossip about a coworker, do you play it cool or act like you have been secretly keeping tabs?
I play it cool, but I secretly keep the tabs.
That's very clever of you, sir, but could you please share some gossips with us?
See, Hansika, not every gossip is shared here,
Oh.
but gossip is an integral part of office communication. That's how you make friends.
So
right?
gossips are confidential now.
Yes, that's also how you make enemies. So you got to be very sure whom you are gossiping with, about whom,
Oh,
right? Otherwise,
That's a
कभी भी
clever-
गड़बड़ भी हो सकती है.
clever play करना पड़ेगा.
Absolutely.
Okay. So next question is, tell me about one funny moment with your client. मतलब ऐसा कभी हुआ है कि Google Meet पे कुछ ऐसा funny सा हुआ है and you were like कि oh God, अब ये कैसे मतलब sort करेंगे etc. So what's the one funny moment with your client?
बॉस देखने वाले हैं क्या वीडियो?
Yes.
ठीक है. आई विल नॉट नेम द सेल्स पर्सन देन, बट एक बार ऐसा हुआ था कि हमारी 1-2 बजे मीटिंग थी some 3-4 months back with a customer. It was supposed to be an in-person meeting, right? But apparently हमारे बंदे भूल गए और वो पहुंचे नहीं मीटिंग के लिए, राइट? पता नहीं बाकी सेल्स पर्सन के साथ ऐसा होता है कि नहीं होता है, लेकिन हमारे साथ 1-2 बार ऐसा हो चुका है. सो इवेंचुअली वी सेड कि नहीं, अरे बॉस हमको तो लगा कि आपके साथ ऑनलाइन मीटिंग है, ऑफलाइन तो नहीं है. एंड देन वी एंडेड अप डूइंग अ गूगल मीट. But yes, it felt very stupid and hilarious at that same time.
The oh no moment. Oh no.
Oh no, yes,
no.
absolutely.
Okay. So how's your day in office like? अगर बताना हो किसी को, so how would you say how is your day in office like? मतलब how is Pratik Gautam in office and how is he working and उनका दिन कैसा होता है? So what about that?
So, on the record, right, we do a lot of meetings.
Also
we do a lot
off
of
the records.
reports.
Okay.
Off the report तो बहुत गाली गलौज होती है.
Okay, okay. Off the record नहीं करते हम, सिर्फ ऑफिस की बात करते हैं.
Yes.
ऑफिस वाला off the record.
ऑफिस वाला ऑफ द रिकॉर्ड. तो मीटिंग्स होती है, लोगों से पूछते हैं कितना काम हो गया है, कस्टमर्स के साथ डिस्कशंस होते हैं, टेक्निकल मीटिंग्स होती हैं, इंटरनली झगड़े होते हैं, राइट? अलग अलग केबिन्स में जाके चिल्लम चिल्ली होती है. That's all. That's how a usual day looks like.
So how do you make it interesting? मतलब बहुत ज्यादा सेल्सी हो जाता है, मीटिंग्स बहुत ज्यादा हो जाती है, but how do you make sure that fun element is kept alive?
See, that's the benefit of having a young team, right? So if you'll see, the average age of my team is around 25-26 years.
Okay.
वो लोग आपस में बहुत मस्त रहते हैं, right? They don't take stress a lot until and unless मैं देता हूँ, जो कि मैं बहुत देता हूँ, right? So they still keep the mahal light with their
Jokes and all.
not jokes. They
Oh.
smoke and they feel light and then they're back at the work.
So Gen Z हैं आपकी टीम में mood. So
हाँ, yes, Gen Z, yes.
Gen Z.
Thanks for bringing up that word.
absolutely, sir. I know the Gen
I'm
Z
not
more.
scared of my boss. I'm
Oh.
scared of Gen Z people in my
Gen Z.
team.
And
yes.
why would you say that? Because
Um,
I'm a Gen Z myself and I would like to know.
And that's why I'm scared of telling you as well. Right? I don't know.
be scared, sir. Don't be scared. There's no war.
No, I'm not
Only
scared. I'm
podcast.
no, to be honest, Gen Z has taught me a lot of new lingo, lot of मैं जब if a lot of you may not know, but I went to IIM for my MBA.
Okay.
But actual English मैंने यहाँ के सीखा Gen Z के साथ में.
Wow.
Legit, pooky,
Okay.
all these words मुझे नहीं पता थे, but my team has taught me. So yes, it's fun to work with Gen
Even
Z people.
FOMO.
No, FOMO is an old generation word.
Oh, old generation
Yeah.
word. Okay. So the next question for you would be, what's in your hidden pantry in your cabin?
I would rather than not say so. I don't want people to, steal behind my back.
So that is the whole idea behind it.
It,
Secrets are not supposed to be kept for long.
okay.
Yeah.
It has got some exotic stuff coming in from Brazil, from England, from Russia. लेकिन mostly आपको
That's
मेरे
quite
उसमें
hard to digest. Let's get back to देसी वाला जो पड़ा है एकदम.
देसी में कॉफी है, पीनट्स हैं, थोड़ा बहुत खाने का सामान पड़ा है और कुछ सीक्रेट नोट्स पड़े हैं, राइट?
secret notes.
सम सीक्रेट डिस्कशंस पड़े हुए हैं दैट नाउ अब जाके मेरे को ताला लगाना पड़ेगा अपनी, अदरवाइज लोग आके देखना स्टार्ट कर देंगे कौन से सीक्रेट नोट्स पड़े हैं मेरी डायरी में.
Secret notes. I see.
Not cigarette, it's secret
So
notes.
secret
Don't
only,
know. Okay,
not
fine.
secret, sir.
Great.
Yeah, not like the Gen Zs in your team, sir, for sure.
I don't smoke.
Oh, I don't smoke.
Only drinking coffee.
Okay. So let's just begin with the rapid fire round. That's a corporate rapid fire round. Make sure it is quick, fun, and fierce.
Do I get a hamper at the end?
Please cut this. Okay, so let's get started. So you need to give me this one word to describe each of the following people that I'm going to mention right now. आपको सबके लिए एक word से describe करना है सबको. ठीक है? So sir, are you ready?
Yes, I am ready. Thank you.
I know you're not, but you have to be.
I am
Okay, so the first is S. Anand sir.
visionary.
The show goes on.
Oh wow. Sachin Mahato.
One word for him:
Yes.
bodybuilder.
I think I'm in love.
Bodybuilder. Bunty Gupta sir. Sales head of Sprint.
No comments.
And Ayush Kesari.
Smart.
Okay, the next one is Parth Grover. So just make sure he's watching the show. तो कुछ ऐसा नहीं बोलना मेरे मैनेजर के अगेंस्ट.
वो तो मैं बोलता ही रहता हूँ, but again, since you are
It's
going,
in front of the camera, so make sure.
don't put pressure on me, please.
I have
You
to.
said truth.
That is why you're here.
Are you asking for the truth?
Absolutely.
Yes. नहीं, अच्छा लड़का है, मेहनती है.
I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun to
So you are saying कि बाकी सब मेहनती नहीं, बाकी सब बॉडी बिल्डर है और वो सब है.
हाँ, बॉडी बिल्डर तो नहीं है पार्थ. वो तो सबको पता है.
ठीक है. Okay. आशीर्वाद सिंह.
हार्ड वर्किंग, बहुत मेहनती लड़का है.
तो सारे मेहनती, सारे स्मार्ट है.
थोड़ा बच्चा है, थोड़ा बच्चा है.
न्यू सिनोनिम.
अच्छा, नया सिनोनिम बच्चा है.
बच्चा है. आई एम श्योर आशीर्वाद देख रहा होगा इसको. ओके, सो गौरव द्विवेदी.
गौरव द्विवेदी. गौरव शर्मा का पूछो तो बताओ.
ओके, फॉर बोथ.
गौरव
दोनों के लिए दे
द्विवेदी.
दो एक एक टर्म.
गौरव द्विवेदी अच्छा लड़का है, थोड़ा कंफ्यूज रहता है बट अच्छा लड़का है. गौरव शर्मा थोड़ा अकड़ू है.
दैट्स कॉन्फिडेंशियल. नो इट्स नॉट. ओके, राहुल सिंह.
राहुल सिंह जाट है भाई, बिल्कुल जाट, पक्का जाट.
जाट.
हम है जाट.
एंड मुस्कान.
वेरिफिकेशन में सबसे ठीक वही है फिलहाल.
Thank you for the rapid fire round, sir. But we need to get some feedback. कुछ तो feedback हम भी लेंगे ना अपने
बिल्कुल,
cast and crew से.
absolutely.
They've been working tirelessly behind the scenes. कैमरा के पीछे है. So, okay, guys. So, on a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate this rapid fire round with Mr. Prateek Gautam? आप अपने अपने स्कोर बता सकते हो. That would be
6, 7. It was 8. It was not so rapid, so 6.
so thoughtful. So thoughtful. So, if you could switch roles with anyone in office for one day, who would it be?
I would do it with Jaspal probably,
Oh.
or someone from the onboarding team.
Why?
I want to know what do they do, what do they do during the day, क्या करते हैं, मतलब कहाँ टाइम निकालते हैं अपना पूरा दिन,
इनसाइड स्कूप चाहिए आपको कि ऑनबोर्डिंग वाले क्या कर रहे हैं.
और क्या नहीं कर रहे हैं.
ओह, आई थिंक यू आर कंसर्न्ड विद लैटर वाला पार्ट. आपको जानना है कि वो क्या नहीं
बस
कर
इसके आगे मैं कुछ बोलूं मैं.
ओके, सो द नेक्स्ट इज कि विद व्हिच टीम यू फाइंड योरसेल्फ क्लैशिंग विद द मोस्ट. मतलब किससे सबसे ज्यादा लड़ाई होती है. इट्स वेरी हार्ड टू कोऑर्डिनेट. मतलब कुछ भी कर लो, देयर हैज टू बी अ क्लैश. यू विल नेवर रीच अ पॉइंट जहां आपसी सहमति होती है, जैसे बिग बॉस में होता है.
So there is no one big boss on the floor. There's one big boss in the company, yes,
They're
but on
bosses.
the floor there are multiple big bosses,
Bosses.
right? जिनके साथ कुछ ना कुछ होता रहता है, नोक झोंक.
आपके
लड़ाई.
कौन बॉस है सर? बिग बॉस.
हमारे तो एक ही बॉस हैं जो
So boss
सबका
नहीं,
मालिक
boss.
एक.
वो तो भगवान है sir.
नहीं, हमारे ऐसा आनंद है. हम तो जानते हैं.
तो आप कह रहे हो भगवान है.
बिल्कुल, फेस प्रिंट के तो वही है.
करता धरता. Nice. Okay, so अब next question बहुत funny है sir. If your office were a zoo, what animal would you assign to each teammate? अब तो ये बोलना पड़ेगा. अब तो zoo तक बात पहुंच गई sir. So
Okay.
first is राहुल.
कॉफी का कड़वा घूंट पी लूं.
बिल्कुल. सोचिए सोचिए बिल्कुल,
हम्म,
क्या पता जानवरों के नाम भी ब्रेनस्टॉर्म हो जाए इसी बहाने।
बोलिए।
ठीक है, सो राहुल।
भेड़िया,
भेड़िया, बाय।
because he hunts the deals really well. He's a shikari.
Oh, yeah, indeed. आशीर्वाद।
Ashirwad, Labrador,
Why?
very diligent, very innocent guy, and does his work very, thoughtfully.
Indeed, I have seen that. हेमंत।
छोटा भेड़िया,
छोटा भेड़िया।
अभी बड़ा बनने का उसका टाइम अभी आया नहीं है।
Okay, आकाश।
घोड़ा, आकाश is our horse, yes, घोड़ा.
Indeed. So that's a wrap on our Q&A. But before
Okay.
we go, what's one piece of advice or a life lesson that you'd like to share with the next generation? मतलब कुछ भी ऐसा जो आपने कभी सीखा है अपनी लाइफ में और आप चाहते हो उसे शेयर करना with others around you, for me and for Gen Zs in your team. So
Yes,
what
I
is
think if
that?
I have to say one thing, it's gonna be ownership.
Hmm.
That's all. Do whatever you're doing with 100% ownership of the job. If you're in sales, it's your job to make a customer happy, right? If you are selling something, it's your job to make sure that the customer is choosing the right product for himself, right? So it's 100% your ownership in everything that you do till the task is completed. It's your ownership, as simple as that.
So we loved having you here, sir. And that's a wrap, folks. Thanks for tuning in for Hustle and Humor by Paceprint. If you enjoyed this episode, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more hustle and even more humor for the upcoming episodes. See you till then. But it was, I think
इतना
it was
मेहनत
great.
किया है, अब तो हैम्पर दे दो.
It's a
सही में
hamper
hamper नहीं है.
It's a hamper नहीं, but pamper जरूर कर सकते हैं आपको.